The worst decision Ipa Ned Nwoko ever made was to bite the finger that once fed him, according to Mama Regina Daniel. Una remember when this whole thing start, when they carry Sammy, Regina Daniel, elder brother, go put for inside kirikiri, where they come find out say na Ipa na im get hand for inside the arrest of Sammy. When Mama Regina Daniel don dey frustrated, dey go left, right, front, back and center. If she go dis station, dey go say dem don carry Sammy go another station. If dem go dis kirikiri, dey go say dem don carry am go another kirikiri. Na so dem dey turn the woman, dey turn am upside down like masa wey dey for on top kolo pot. Now, the woman come use provocation talk am say if he forget the ladder wey carry am go up, he must surely come down. Una remember that statement when she talk am with out of anger and annoyance, say he bite the finger that fed him. So the way Amana dey take carry am go up, na so im go take come down. Wey make dem dey talk am say for this life, never provocate a mother who carried her child for 9 months, who knows what it feels like to be a mother, who knows how to feel the pains of their children. Never provoke such kind of people, because they can go extra miles and whatever comes out of their mouth na bomb na e dey be. E dey go far. No be say na cho cho cho. Once they open their mouth take curse you, e go far. With wetin Mama Regina Daniel say she do for Ipa, wey be say she no fit even open her mouth talk, e ended up paying them back as if dem no be human being. Ended up paying them with betrayal and all. For im mind, e no go lose anything. Last, im don dey collect left, right, front, back and center o. My people, make una draw una chair come closer. Make una come hear the updates wey dey ground. Na here wey Regina Daniel dey prepare for her children's day, where she dey do advert here and there, dey invite people here and there to come to Asaba with their children. Let Asaba people, to be precise, come with their children. She drop location, drop number wey be say you fit call in case you wan miss road. Make una come have fun, free of charge, without any ticket or gate fee or this or that. Bring your children. Na Salah day and also na children's day. Make you bring your children out, make you show them love. Na wetin she love doing on a normal day. Regina Daniel love giving and she loves children. Remember when her children celebrate their birthday, abi na Munir, abi na Khalifa, she settle down go gather children, thousands of children, celebrate them together with her children. So no be say na today she dey do am or na for eye service. Na something wey she don already dey do. So according to the information right now, say Governor Sheriff, wey be governor of Delta State, was so happy that Regina Daniel was able to pull out crowd, because all her colleagues dem, na so they dey do repost. They dey post the movement. They dey post the children's day carnival. They dey post am here and there. They dey create awareness. And you know say celebrities, in as much as say dem do advert, there go full, no be small. Already Governor Sheriff don dey see am say omo, is going to be a banger. Another epic settings is coming to Asaba, because for a very long time now, they never really organize something wey go far like that for that place. Na Regina Daniel pull out this crowd. Im already dey foresee a day to the day, which is yesterday. Na somebody come call Regina Daniel, come o, I get message for you. Where is that? The same location wey she put where she wan do her children's day celebration. Na she say, no problem, she's coming there now. Na so she take arrive there o. Na before you know, person come dey talk say for your humanity, for what you do, for this, for that, they said I should come and give you this. Regina Daniel say it's a prank, say na lie they dey lie. E no come out from their mind. Coming from who? The governor of Delta State, in person of Governor Sheriff. The same person wey Ipa dey drag legelege sotey e don drag am go court say e get hand for the mago-mago of im primary election into becoming a senator for the second time. Say the state government, the local government and all the government put together for Asaba Delta State, say all of them get hand for the mago-mago wey dem do am. Say also im dey sue the governor for whatever wey dem don do am. Say im also get evidence wey im go take sue all of them. The same man wey im decide to sue na the same man now na im buy G-Wagon worth how many million naira come give Regina Daniel for her location where she wan do her children's day. Like e came on a lighter note, celebration upon celebration on top of celebration. Like make no be like say na me dey talk wetin I no hear o, or maybe na me dey quote the guy wrongly, or na me no hear wetin im talk. Make una follow me hear am.
And we found out there is no something exceptional there. So we decided to provide something unique for you. So look over there. That's for you. Come on.
That's a lie. It's a prank. It's a prank.
Can't be prank. Can't be.
It's a prank. But
It's a
what
prank.
happened to deserve the president? What are they celebrating?
Open this up. Open this up. All right.
Just like that. Just like that. Just like that.
Wow.
You like it? Okay, what happened is that we try to appreciate your efforts. We know you have done so good. And you have spent some money to organize this kind of event. But that is order from the governor. That's what
Thank you.
Una don hear am ba? E say from the excellency, meaning Governor Sheriff. Now, see celebration here and there. People were just so happy that thank God these people really see Regina Daniel for being able to pull out this crowd. Say omo, na woman you be, you try. If there is anything wey this government like, na person wey get social media influence. They dey like influence well well. They no dey use influence dey play. Once you have social media presence, they go value you like say tomorrow no dey. If only Ipa know, if for no treat Regina Daniel bad, no wonder he was busy shouting that they should cancel social media. Not knowing say na because of Regina na im make this man allegedly want to cancel social media, so that im know say na social media na im be her strength. Na there na im she get mouth. Na there she go fit use win am, take conquer am. So make dem cancel am so that her head go come down, so that she go know talk say she no get any power over him. Because you know say the time wey Leila own happen, the time wey Shante own happen, im other wife and all, when e happen, dem no get social media presence wey dem go take fight am. For Regina Daniel own case, social media presence long, e pororo, e choke. No how wey im for take do am, no how wey e no go over am, no how. Like e try but e didn't work. He tried his best, e didn't work. They say they no fit cancel social media because lots of organization, big parastatals, they are using this social media for promotion of their business. So if they come close am down, how they wan take pass information, the rightful information? How they wan take do one or two? So e no fit work. One person no go just wake up because of im personal vendetta come say make dem close social media. E try that one, go no go, e rest. The same Governor Sheriff wey advise am when this whole matter start between him and Regina Daniel, e say no, Dis one, the girl no dey hear word, make you even dey careful how you dey take dey defend the girl o, if not the girl go stain im white, the day wey the girl go misbehave for where im dey, im go know, im eye go catch am, e go do dis, e go do dat. Na so e castigate dis girl for where dis man dey. But thank God the man never left. He was still believing that something good will come out of Regina Daniel from her own end. He never gave up on her. Even after he even told Ipa that, what if this girl na your daughter? He say no, im daughter no fit dey do this kind thing. Im children, you no dey see them. She say okay, because you say no be your own. Na im make you dey under your custody. You allow her. If truly say she dey take the druggy wey you talk, is it not under your custody that the lady started taking druggy? Abi shey she marry you as a druggy person? Of course not. It was when she got married to you, in order to fit overlook and to cover up some loopholes, na im make she start to dey take am. If na true, that is allegedly, if it is true what Ipa is saying, that she's taking druggy, then automatically you taught her. She started it in your house, in your custody, in your watch. So you should be held responsible for everything put together wey Regina Daniel don cause for her life. You should be held responsible, because if not for you, she for no find herself for such. Dis man talk to am o, e no gree hear. He say na wetin dey im mind na im Ned Nwoko go do. Now the man now don dey surprise Regina Daniel. Like she was so surprised. People wey dey around was so shocked that dis man dey cry for election matter, dey drag dis same present government wey dem dey there. The present government now dey go behind, dey go dey buy car for Regina Daniel. Choi! And the same present government now wey wan enter, Okowa, na the Regina Daniel mama supporter. She support am with her full chest, even campaign for am. Automatically something good is coming from every angle. And when Regina Daniel left, I didn't mean she go enter her shell sit down, na that one for worse. But for the fact say she no sit down o, she carry her career for head like gala o, dey do her thing. And you know say one thing wey these people like, once they try to break you, you know they no fit break you. You stand strong and your media handle stand gidigba. All of them go dey try to come close, go wan do one or two with you, so that e go boost their publicity, e go boost whatever it is wey dem dey do, both business and otherwise. So dem know wetin dem dey do. Their happiness is that Regina Daniel have all the required media presence. So they wan now use her. Dem dey happy. Ipa dey cry, then dem dey happy, because dem wan use her achieve their aims. Still and on still, we are just so happy. A big congratulations to Regina Daniel for this one. No allow them use you o. You still use your head and still collect your gift enter house. Say you don try, na woman you be. With all these things put together, you actually deserve them, because you don put a lot in place. But if na now wey God wan come remember you, make a remembrance last you forever in your life. My people, na the matter be this o. Make una come congratulate Regina Daniel for the comment section. Celebrate her, because she deserves to be celebrated. E no easy for woman like this, with all the scandal, with all the dragging, with all the name calling, with all the lies, for her to still stand out in the middle of it all. E no funny and e no easy at all. So guys, na the matter be this o. I say make I suffer come drop am for una as e dey hot. I remain your humble girl Gifted Gist, and me dey bring una latest. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.